Aditi met Raghav during a community book exchange, where strangers left handwritten notes inside novels for the next reader, and his handwriting caught her attention long before his presence ever did. She returned the book just to see if he would reply, and he did. Soon, they began responding through tucked pages and folded corners, sharing thoughts, humor, doubts, and small pieces of their hearts without knowing faces or voices. Writing felt safer than speaking. Days turned into weeks, and curiosity slowly grew stronger than fear. When they finally met among tall shelves and quiet aisles, the connection felt gentle and familiar, like continuing a conversation that had never really paused. Suspense appeared when Raghav hesitated to meet outside the library. He feared that noisy streets and ordinary cafes might break the fragile bond they had built through words. Aditi sensed his fear and chose patience instead of pressure, believing trust should never be forced. Their meetings remained soft and careful, limited to shared reading hours, quiet smiles, and meaningful pauses. Time slowly softened Raghav's hesitation, turning uncertainty into courage. When he finally invited her for a simple evening walk, it felt like stepping across an invisible bridge neither wanted to rush. As they walked side by side, silence spoke louder than confessions, and comfort replaced the need for promises. Love grew calmly, rooted in understanding, respect, and patience rather than urgency. Both carried old wounds that whispered doubts, yet they kept returning to each other, choosing presence over distance. They learned that some love stories are not loud or fast, but unfold gently, allowing hearts to feel safe. Their love did not rush forward, but stayed, waited, and deepened, proving that quiet beginnings can lead to lasting devotion when patience slowly becomes love.